One of the materials that can be used in working with epoxy resin is the use of colored pebbles. These pebbles, which come in different colors such as blue, red, purple, and mixed colors and have a special beauty, are painted with fluorescent colors, i.e. the same bright colors that are brighter than other colors and are a little more colorful. The pebbles are added to the mixture after mixing the epoxy resin and hardener.